If you're looking to do motorized shades in your home, but maybe your home wasn't wired for them ahead of time, we have a great wireless solution from Screen Innovations that we do really often here at Acoustic Design Systems. We love them because they're very clean looking. They come with a beautiful sconce that can match your home, and you can do them in any fabric. What's cool about these is they not only look good, but they're really simple to maintain. Yes, they're wireless, so naturally there's a battery that we have to charge every so often. Depending on how often you use them, it's once a year or so that you actually have to charge them, and I'll show you how easy that is. It comes with this really simple charger. You just plug it into a standard outlet. You take the end, and it's magnetic, so you just click it on like that. When it's charging, it will have this light at the bottom, flashing red or green if they're fully charged, so you'll know that they're ready to go. And then you simply unplug and you put this cord away. You have beautiful shades for another year that operate perfectly. Great solution for any wireless home that doesn't have hardwire.